Learning colors with nouns. What is it?
It's a hat.
What color is it?
It's red. It's a red hat.
What is it?
It's a car.
What color is it?
It's blue. It's a blue car.
What is it?
It's an elephant.
What color is it?
It's gray. It's a gray elephant.
What is it?
It's a book.
What color is it?
It's green. It's a green book.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What color is it?
It's yellow. It's a yellow pencil.
What is it?
It's a ball.
What color is it?
It's purple. It's a purple ball.
What is it?
It's a dog.
What color is it?
It's brown. It's a brown dog.
What is it?
It's a teddy bear.
What color is it?
It's pink. It's a pink teddy bear.
What is it?
It's a TV.
What color is it?
It's black. It's a black TV.
What is it?
It's a balloon.
What color is it?
It's orange. It's an orange balloon.
What is it?
It's a plane.
What color is it?
It's white. It's a white plane.